Hello, my name is Abhijit Chaudhary and I will be explaining this machine which is named as Scan 702. So as we can see, it is booting up.
That is calibration. और कुछ स्टूडेंट बहुत ही शॉर्ट वीडियो बना रहे हैं, जस्ट जो टॉपिक होता है उसी टॉपिक
As we can see, this is the base interface of
कल एक स्टूडेंट का वीडियो
digital
देखा, वो
screen.
सबने वेवलेंथ और वो का जस्ट
As we can see, first step is we have to double click this so it can show the menu. Or we can double tap the home screen also to show the menu. Pause. As we can see, this is the base interference. As it is written base, we also have pulsar, we have receiver, we have measure, we can also auto calculate. It also has a gate option and it also can store memories. As we can see in the base option, there are multiple options given. First one is the velocity. Velocity is set as 3230 because it is in shear velocity, and the probe 0, it has been set. First we need to set the probe 0 at 0. Okay.
GST class will be started at which time?
I think
2 o'clock. Okay.
Now we have set the probe 0 as 0.00. Also we need to set the range as 250 and the delay will be 0. Delay will be 0. Material, it is set an iron or bracket steel and the shear is on, as we can see. Now we will be moving on. In the pulsar we don't have to change anything. The damp is low, the probe mode, everything is set. We don't need to change in receiver also. In the measure, as we can see the thickness, we need to we can see thickness and we can also see an angle. We are using an angle 70-degree probe, as we can see, and it is a 4 megahertz. So angle is set at 70 degree and the thickness should be of 100. As per the workpiece, we need to set the thickness. We have set the thickness of 100 because we are using a V1 block. Now, in this we can also auto calculation, or we can also say auto calibration, but we will keep it off.
Okay, sir.
Moving on the gate. Now the gate has only one gate is already there. If you want to change gate, like if you want to set another gate, and on the status we can see another gate which is on green line, but we don't need the second gate for now, so we will keep at 1. Now at the gate start, so as we can see in the gate we have set first gate and the status is on. This is the red line, it is the gate. In the gate start we can also change the gate start. We need to set get start at 150 because we are using a V1 block, so we will keep at 150. Now it is at 150 and the width will be, if you want to change the width, the G1 width, we can also change, but we will let it by default as a 50, and the G1 level it doesn't matter if we keep at 30% or 40%, and the alarm will be disabled. Rest is all good. In the memory we can save the data which we have recorded, like the ultrasonic waves, how much echo we are getting, we can save from here. Also there is an option in the settings. If you go, there is a clock option. In that clock you can see the current time and the date. Also there is a save option, so if we click the save, we can save that echo which we have recorded right now. And in the display also you can see that we can also set the brightness. Right now it is at 50%. This is a AC scan. This can help you in the freeze. This now the screen has totally freezed. If you deselect it, now the screen is active. So as we are moving forward in the, now we will calculate using a
V1.
IIW block V1. So this is a V1 block, and in this we can see this is the center line. From the center line to the right direction it is 25 mm, to the left direction it is 100 mm, and this is the device which this is the probe, this is an angle probe which will help you in detecting the sound waves and transmitting. This is a 70-degree angle probe. As now we will place this, it also has 3 different dimensions, 5, 10, 15, and this one also has a 15, 10, 5. That means if we are keeping our probe over this at the 10, so the waves are transmitting this way in the 100 mm direction. But if we keep our angle probe like this, the waves are transmitting towards the 25 mm direction. So as we can see in the screen, and as we go into the base, we have set probe 0 as a 0 0 totally to check the initial peak at the highest peak level. So first we will keep here, and we can see, and we need to adjust the gate also. We will keep the gate at like here. Okay, so we can see this is the 10 mm. If we want to check the whole dimension, like from the here to here, like 125 mm, then so as you can see, I was last time I was correct, net correction. It was a total distance of 150 mm, not 125. And first we need to set here in the G1 as 150. First we go, and here I'll set this as 150 mm. As we can see from here, this is the center line. From the center line we are keeping at this at 16. We are keeping at 16, and from the 16 it will keep like this, because we need to face the direction towards that. We will keep at 16. From the 16 to the left direction of the 100 mm, it goes above 50, then it reflects back at 50, so total is 100 mm. And from here, center line, as we can see, we need to keep it like 16. Now it is reflecting at 25, and also it reflects back at 25, so total we are getting the total distance of 150 mm. As by total we are getting 150 distance mm, as we can see in the screen, B1 150 mm. And okay, with this I would like to end my video. Thank you.